Hey designers! In this video I'm going to show you how to create a paper cut effect in Affinity easily. I already have a transparent PNG that I'll be using for this tutorial. First, select the pen tool and create a random outline around your image. It doesn't have to be perfect, just draw a shape that follows the subject in a natural way. The style is completely up to you. Once you've finished the outline, you may notice that there are a few anchor points you don't need. To remove one, simply click on it with the pen tool. If you've used Adobe software before, this will feel very familiar. If you want to adjust the position of any anchor point, switch to the Node tool. With it, you can move, edit, and refine the shape of your outline until you're happy with it. Now let's add some color to the outline. First, drag the outline layer below your main image so it doesn't cover the subject. If you don't want a stroke, remove it from the stroke settings. Then go to Fill and choose any color you like. Instead of a solid color, you can also use a texture or an image. To do that, go to File T, Place, and select the texture you want to use. Once it's placed, drag the texture layer directly onto the outline layer. This clips the texture inside the outline, and you can confirm it's nested by expanding the layer in the Layers panel. Next, let's experiment with some adjustments. Click on the Adjustments icon and choose Levels. Here you can modify the black level, white level, output levels, and other settings to achieve the look you want. Feel free to experiment until you're satisfied. Now let's add a background. Select the Rectangle tool, draw a rectangle that covers the canvas, and move it below everything. You'll notice that the background color also changes. That's because the Levels adjustment is affecting all the layers beneath it. To fix this, simply drag the Levels adjustment layer inside the outline layer, or whichever layer you want it to affect. This clips the adjustment so it only applies to that specific layer, and your background returns to its original color. Finally, choose any background color you like, and your paper cut effect is complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more tutorials.